welcome back to my channel. So as some of you know, I have been gymming. I've been going to the gym for probably 3 weeks to a month now, and yesterday, to my demise, I actually found out that I gained weight. So one of the main things that my instructor reinforced was the fact that I need to change my diet. So I usually, after the gym, guys, I eat ice cream because my meal plan said, well, it said 1 cup of ice cream. So your girl went and had like a whole tub. But so yeah, I need to cut out gravy and rice and a whole bag of things. I need to cut out of my diet. But one of the major thing I find is that I snack a lot. When I get home after the gym, I'm hungry, tired and hungry, and I snack a lot. Up to probably about 1-2 o'clock, I'm always snacking. So I decided today, while I was coming home, that every night I'm gonna make a protein shake. Well, if you can call it protein, but I'm gonna make a protein shake with my banana, ice, milk, oats, and just an oat shake, if you want to call it that. So I'm gonna drink that when I get home every night, so that it keeps me full, so that I don't keep snacking on the junk food like popcorn and pretzels and ice cream and the works. So yeah, so tonight I'm gonna be making my shake, and yeah, this is my go-to post-gym workout shake. Well, oopsie. But there you have it, guys. My protein. I was trying to put all of it in the cup, yeah, because I don't want waste none. But yeah, it run over. Sorry, guys. But there you go. My protein shake. This is just garnish that you're seeing right there. That's garnish. Anyways, there you go, guys.